Car prices are always changing. Some models keep their value while the other lose it fast. In 2025, some cars will become surprisingly cheap. But why? Is it poor reliability, high maintenance cost, or simply bad timing? Stay with us to find out which 10 cars will drop in value. You might own one of them. Number 1. Toyota Camry is one of the most reliable sedans, but in 2025 its resale value will drop significantly. But why? Too much supply. Toyota produced millions of Camrys, and now the used car market is flooded with newer hybrid and electric alternatives. Buyers are looking elsewhere. Number 2. Ford Explorer. SUVs are popular, but not all of them hold value. The Ford Explorer is facing a price drop because of high fuel consumption and expensive maintenance. Gasoline prices are rising, and the people are switching to hybrid and electric SUVs. In 2025, you will see Explorer selling for shockingly low prices. Number 3. The Nissan Altima is dropping its value due to serious CVT transmission problem. Many owners report failure before 100,000 miles. Repairs cost thousands of dollars, making used Altimas risky purchase. Buyers are choosing competitors like Honda Accord instead. Number 4. BMWs are luxurious and fun to drive, but they are also expensive to maintain. The BMW 3 Series is known for costly engine and suspension repairs. As these models age, their prices will drop because buyers don't want high repair bills. Number 5. Chevrolet Malibu. Malibu is struggling to stay relevant. It lacks hybrid or electric options and its sales are declining. Malibu might discontinue it soon, making resale value crash in 2025. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Mercedes-Benz C-Class is a symbol of luxury, but it is becoming too expensive to maintain. Older models need costly engine, transmission and electronic repairs. Because of this, buyers are avoiding used C-Class model, pushing their prices way down. Number 7. Tesla models. The Tesla Model S was once upon a top luxury EV, but its battery problems are driving its prices down. Many early models need expensive battery replacements in 2025. With newer Teslas available, buyers are avoiding older Model S version. Number 8. Dodge Charger. The Dodge Charger is powerful but extremely inefficient. Gas prices are rising and the car companies are moving to electric. Buyers want better fuel economy, making the Charger's resale value plummet in 2025. Number 9. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Jeep Grand is dropping in value because of electric problems and engine issues. Older models often require expensive repairs and buyers are shifting towards more reliable brands. Number 10. Volkswagen Passat. Volkswagen stopped making the Passat in many countries, so its resale value is dropping fast. Buyers are choosing SUVs or electric cars instead, making the Passat's future uncertain. There you have it. 10 cars that will drop in value in 2025. Some have mechanical issues, others are too expensive to maintain, and some are simply outdated. If you own one of these cars, should you sell it now or wait? Let us know in the comment section.